everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 16 divide 1 upon 4, then multiply 5. Okay, so now let's solve this problem by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So here is one division and here is multiplication. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So first we have to solve this part. Is equal to 16. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this 16 as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. And F means flip this last fraction 1 by 4 is equal to 4 by 1. Okay, multiply 5. Now here is multiplication and here is multiplication. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. Okay. So now 16 multiply 4 is equal to 64, then multiply 5. Okay. So now 64 multiply 5 is equal to 5 multiply 4 is equal to 20. 2 carry. Okay. 5 multiply 6 is equal to 30. 30 plus 2 is equal to 32. So 320 is correct answer. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. And also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.